Hazrat Urwa bin Zubair narrates that Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha, the Prophet's wife, said, Utbah bin Abi Waqas took a pledge from his brother that the son of Zama's slave girl is from me, so you must take him in your custody. In the year of the conquest of Makkah, Hazrat Sa'ad radiyallahu anhu took hold of him and said, He is my nephew. Hazrat Abd bin Zama radiyallahu anhu got up and said, He is my brother and the son of my father's slave girl, who was born on his bedding. So both of them took their case to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Hazrat Sa'ad radiyallahu anhu submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he is my nephew and a covenant has been taken from me regarding him. Hazrat Abd bin Zama radiyallahu anhu thereupon said, He is my brother and is a son of my father's slave girl and has been born on his bedding. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam thereupon said, O Abd bin Zama, it is yours. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, A baby belongs to him on whose bedding he takes his birth, whereas a stone is for an adulterer. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said to Hazrat Sauda, the daughter of Zama, observe veil from him, for he bears resemblance to Utbah. So that boy never saw her until she met Allah the Exalted. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 7182.